Hello YouTube, how are you? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an application in Mendix platform. So it is recommended that you have created an account and you have successfully logged into the Mendix before you watch this video. So after login, you have to go to this profile or you have to go to this Mendix and go to this plus button. Create your app. So you have to select this blank web and yeah, it will redirect you to this page where you can select the version of the Mendix. So I'm using 16 and you can also select the repository whether it is Git or SVN. So I'm using the Git and select this template. So you have to give your application a name. So I'm giving it a demo app like this. Also, you can select an icon for your web application, but I will not loading an icon. I just simply go with the default one. So just simply create app. Okay. So it will take its own time and create an application. It is taking longer than usual. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. So the application is now created for you. You can add team member from here. Okay, just paste the email address and you will send an invite to them. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.